Alright guys, got the 9th generation of Chevy Impalas. This is a 2008, but if you have a Chevy Impala between 2006 and 2013, this video is for you, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change real quick. So come on, let's get it. This is how you open the hood, okay? Pull it once. By the way, this car has 175,000 miles. Your latch is gonna be right here. You don't need to hold the hood because it has pistons over there, so it's gonna be there. Now here, engine oil cap. It tells you 530. Here we have the battery, windshield fluid reservoir, fuse box, coolant reservoir, steering fluid reservoir, engine oil filter, ABS, brake fluid reservoir, power booster. Alright. Radiator fan, pretty much, alternator. Same design as the previous Impalas. This is the oil drain plug, and that's the oil filter. Alright, so for this oil drain plug, we're going to use a 15 millimeter. Okay, don't get a splash. Here it comes. Pause. What you think about that oil? Alright, we drained most of the oil. I'll put it back. I'm gonna put the oil drain plug back. Tied it with the 15 millimeter socket, wrench, whatever you have. That should be good. Alright. Let's do the oil filter. This is the oil filter right here. I'm gonna use this. It's kind of loose. Ah, shit. Okay. No, okay, be careful though. There you go. Oh, this is a big filter. Okay. Let me show you how it looks like over there. Alright, so we're gonna clean this. I'm gonna wipe it. It's okay. Get it ready for the new oil filter. See, the new oil filter, gasket, oil ring, whatever you want to call it, comes dry. So we're gonna lube it with some oil. Okay. And put it up there. Okay. Now you can pour some oil in the oil filter and then install it. That's up to you though. Okay. No biggie. Tight it good by hand. Put the funnel here. Okay. We're gonna get 530. The owner's manual says 4 quarts. Huh. That's what we're gonna do, 4 quarts, and then I'm gonna check the level. See, let me tell you this. I was doing the oil change in this Mercedes-Benz, and it says something about 7 quarts. But I did the you know, the usual procedure of pour the oil, you know, then start the car, let it idle for a minute, and when I check the oil level, the level of the oil was not even near to the max level. But that was what the owner's manual said. So I leave it at that. Whatever the owner's manual said. I'm gonna start the car now. I'm gonna let it idle. Then double check the oil level. Starting the car now. Car running right now. Idling. It's gonna take a minute. Let it idle for a minute. Check the other fluids in the meanwhile. All right, let it idle for a minute. I'm gonna shut down the car. The car is not running anymore. Remove the oil dipstick. Let's see. So the oil level is supposed to be right here. Okay. That's what we're gonna check. Now it seems like it was right. 4 quarts. But the level is right here. You see it, right? Right here. So I'm gonna check it again, because sometimes you gotta give a few seconds for the oil to drop to the oil pan. See it again. Yeah, still there. So maybe it's 4.5. I'm gonna pour like a half of a quarter. Let's see. So it should be, in total, should be like 4.2, pretty much. Do it again. Going in. Yeah, pretty much. It's right there right now. You see it right there. All right, 4.2, okay. 4.2. Huh. And it's a B6. Okay. You're good now. This was the oil change for the Chevy Impala 2008. Right, this is how you reset the oil life. We can do it while it's running too. I'm gonna start the car now. Car is running right now. We're gonna use these commands, buttons, whatever you wanna call it. Okay, we're gonna press this one. This one, okay. You're gonna see 8% oil life remaining. When I press check, press and hold it. There you go, let it go. 99% oil life remaining. That's how you reset the oil life in this baby, alright? I'm gonna do it right here. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Highlight your boy. It's me, Axtuo, Burung, clocking now. Yeah. Don't forget to support the channel. Shout out to my subscribers and viewers. Love you. Pause. Bye-bye.